Dear student of standard 4, today I send you lesson 5 video number 3. Let's follow me. Dear student, the question is how many types of changes you can make to a document. So your answer is 6 kind of changes you can make to a document. At first, number 1, add text. So it is another page, that is document 1 Microsoft page. Okay, I show you document 1 Microsoft page. Okay, it is document 1 Microsoft page. So dear student, suppose I want to write here any word by using keyboard. Look at here, it is the keyboard. Through the keyboard you can type any kind of letter or any kind of alphabet, okay, on your document or in your document. My dear student, suppose I want to write BOOK. Suppose I want to write PEN, pen. Suppose I want to write CHALK. Any kind of text you may write in your documents. Next, number 2, delete text. Look at here, delete text. How can I delete it? You may delete in 2 mode of operations. Number 1, backspace key, and number 2, delete key. Suppose you delete from right to left, you use the backspace key. Which one is the backspace key? Look at here. It is backspace key, and another one, it is the delete key. Okay, suppose I want to press the backspace key, automatically delete the left hand side word, okay, one by one. And again I want to delete the word pen, so use the delete key. Through the delete key you can delete right hand side text. Press delete key, P is delete, E then N. Okay, now delete key. Now the third one, copy text. How can I copy the text? Look at here, it is the clipboard. Okay, under the home tab, here is the clipboard. Any text you can copy by using select. So at first you select, then click on copy. Okay, copy the selection and put it on the clipboard. Where is the clipboard? Look at here. Suppose I open the clipboard. Okay, so how many times I paste it here? You paste it unlimited way of times. Okay, suppose I click here, select the word book, click on copy. Look at here, book copied from the document to the clipboard. Okay, so next, move text. How can I move it? Suppose I want to move the text book from the first line. Select the text at first, click on cut. Okay, automatically the text must be moved from the first line, and I want to move it to the fourth line, second line, third line and fourth line. Again I click on the paste. Look at here, what is paste? Paste within a bracket, Control plus V, that means shortcut key. Paste the content of the clipboard. If I click on the paste, the book must be in the fourth line. It is the fourth line. then second line, then third line, and it is the fourth line. So I move the word book from the first line to the fourth line. Change the style applied to your text. My dear student, I want to apply the style from any kind of style through the font group. So select the document at first, that means any kind of text, and apply any kind of font feature. Suppose I want to apply bold, the letter must be bold. I want to apply any italic, letter must be italics font, that means towards the right hand side. Suppose I want to apply the underline features, it must be underline. Okay, and it also helps you another method. You can click on here through the font dialog box. Okay, all the rest of the features, look at here: font style, size, color, underline color, and effects also: strike through, double strike through, superscript, subscript, shadow, outline, and rest of the features. Okay, after selecting the all features, you may click on OK symbol. Suppose I want to click here underline color. Look at here, I select the red, click on OK. Okay, select the red, click on OK. Look at here, the underline color is red. Change the formatting of text. Any kind of format you can apply also. Suppose you can change, select the text at first, any kind of formatting style. Suppose you can select the theme font, you select the Times New Roman, the book format must be changed. Okay, the reading text book format must be changed. Look at here, you can select the word again. If you want to apply the highlight features, click on the highlight at first. Okay, the letter must be also highlighted. Dear students, thanks to all. I want to help you in the next video, different kinds of font features and the editing tools, find and replace features. Okay, thank you.